Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, basically you want to send a gift fast or just save money for later shopping. Amazon gift cards are one of the easiest ways to pay or even gift online. You can buy them digitally or physically in just a few steps, and the best part, they never expire. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to buy an Amazon gift card in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So, first and first, open the device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go all the way to Amazon.com. Tap on the website, then log in using your email address and password, and we're gonna go all the way to here basically, account and lists, tap on gift cards, then go to reload your balance or even redeem a gift card, it depends on you. So you do this step if you want the gift card to be reloaded automatically. So as you see, you can reload this online. Can this be used for digital products? Is there a limit compared with similars? All of these options. So you have basically this type of gift cards that you can buy. We also have view gift card balance activity, manage and all of this. You can also go and look for gift. Amazon gift card here. Then as you see, you can pick if you want an e-gift card digital delivery, Amazon e-gift card celebration delivery, Amazon e-gift card appreciation, and all of these types of gift cards. You can even basically take an Amazon physical gift card in a gift box if you want to. All of these options are included, so pick yours carefully and just buy it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.